The next feature we're going to discuss is how we can actually use the Copilot chatbot to summarize a document for us. Now, we've been talking a lot about using Copilot as the creator, right? The person that is creating and adding content. This feature is particularly helpful if you're receiving a document. Perhaps you've been sent a file and you don't necessarily have the full time to read through it, especially if it's a particularly lengthy one. We can use Copilot to help us summarize so that we can get all those key pieces of information, grasp the knowledge we need, and still continue about our day. Let's jump right into it. So, as you can see here, we're going to imagine for a second that I've received this blog post. The blog post was already created. It's looking good to go. I just don't have the time to really dig through all these key points. Instead of not reading it at all, or perhaps giving a quick glance where I'm not grasping the information, I can use Copilot to sort of help me out with this. So, as always, we're going to navigate over to the top right-hand side of the Home tab, click on the Copilot button, and we have two options. We can either type in the prompt. Sometimes it'll even give us suggestions. In this case, it is. Or we can even navigate to the top of the page and it'll suggest some things for us. So in this case, we'll just click on, actually, we'll use its own suggested icon here. So we'll go ahead and click on summarize this document. And what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and read this entire Word document for us, grasp those key pieces of information, and then it'll provide us with a response. And it'll give us those key points that we can use to really understand a little bit better what this document is about. So here's the summary that it's providing. It's going to give us the main ideas. Number one, common mistakes in learning and development. And it's going to give us a couple of extra details regarding what each of these ideas are, ways to make training more engaging, timing of the training, so on and so forth. You see, this is a lot easier for me to now read and understand instead of having to go through this entire document. This document itself isn't particularly lengthy, but you can imagine how important this summary will be for documents that are 20, 30, and even more pages. And let's say, for example, this is a good summary, but I think it's still a bit too much for me to read. I need something that's very short, very succinct, and very to the point. You'll notice that down below here, we actually have the option to ask Copilot to make the summary shorter. Even if that option wasn't there, however, we can also just type in that prompt, make the summary shorter. And one thing I always suggest when it comes to prompt writing is, again, more details, the better. The more details you can provide in your instructions, the easier it'll be for Copilot to give you that exact output you're looking for. So in this case, we could say make the summary shorter. But if we're looking for a specific word limit, why not write that into our prompt? So I could go ahead and click on this icon and it'll do its job. But in this case, I want to work on and let's practice using more specific, more effective prompts. So I'm going to say rewrite this summary. Rewrite this summary, and I'm going to give it clear instructions. So I'm going to tell it to rewrite the summary in 250 words or less. Go ahead and put that in there, and now Copilot is going to be able to generate a better response for us based on those specific parameters we gave it. Again, if we had just said, hey, summarize this or make it shorter, it would do the job, and it would do it well. But just giving those extra bits of details really helps us, number one, get what we're looking for, and two, it allows Copilot to give us that specific output that we're looking for. It makes both of our lives easier. So it finished generating that rewritten summary for us. Let's take a look. As you can see here, it gave us that summary in 250 words or less, and now that makes it a lot easier for me to pick up those key information from the article without having to read it myself. And again, we can get some more practice in. So this time I'm going to ask it to rewrite the summary in bullet points, because this is great, but this is a little hard to read. So now we're going to ask it, can you rewrite this summary using bullet points? Go ahead and put in that prompt. And again, really we're just highlighting how you can work with Copilot to continually enhance a document. Sometimes when it comes to chatbots and AI chatbots like Copilot or other products, things like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, there's this idea that perhaps we need to get all of our instructions clear and precise in the first prompt. That's not the case. You can always continually iterate and revise as needed. And as you can see, it's continuing to track our information as we go along. So the first step was to write the summary. It did that for us. The second step was to make it shorter. All right, so what it did is it took that same summary and rewrote it. And now we're iterating it and we're enhancing it by saying, hey, this isn't the easiest for me to read. Can you redo it in bullet points? And here's what we're looking for. So we have a short summary in bullet points. It's easy to read. It's going to be a lot more legible for me to pick up all this information. And the best part is I didn't have to go through this entire document. I can just look at the summary, get those key details, and go ahead about my day. So it's just one, it was a way to showcase a new feature, but also for us to have a little bit of a conversation on how we can use the prompt writing and then iterating to really enhance our time using our Copilot chatbot.